Happy birthday, Ayan! Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming taong kaarawan. Kagaya ko. Malampasan mo pa ako. Kung ano nararamdaman mo, agapan mo, ha? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa gwapo kong anak, Joseph Ryan Bautista. More birthday to come. Enjoy your special day. I love you, Tatay.
Happy birthday, Ryan! Continue to walk by faith. May God bless all the desires of your heart. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Blow the cake. Okay. Say mo happy birthday. Ay, ito si Lola. Happy birthday, Tito. Say mo. Happy birthday. Tito.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ayan. Ayun, sana i-bless pa ni Lord yung family nyo, nila Ate Jo, nila Baby Z and Baby Ashi na more financial blessing and also good health para sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa inyo ni Ate Jo. And sana i-bless din kayo ni Lord ng guidance para mapalaki niya ng maayos si Baby Z and si Baby Ashi. And sana i-bless ka rin ni Lord bilang Padre de Pamilya para sa pag-lead sa family nyo in the future. Happy birthday and thank you sa lahat sa pagiging kuya and sana sana mas mapalapit pa ang buong family nyo kay Lord and mapagpatuloy nyo kung ano yung nasimulan nila inatamaan sa family nyo sa pagiging Christian, sa paglakad sa buhay ng kasama si Lord. And ayun lang, happy birthday. Sana matupad ni Lord lahat ng wish mo, prayers mo sa birthday mo ngayon. At ayun lang, maraming salamat sa lahat. Bye-bye, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya. God bless you. More birthdays to come. And, ano pa ba? Sana masaya kayo lagi. Sana healthy kayo lagi. Sana i-guide kayo ni Lord lagi. I pray for more guidance for you and for Ate Aju and for leading your fam. Sana mag-guide nyo ni Ate Aju ng maayos yung family nyo and I wish you all the best. Thank you sa pagiging kuya. Thank you!
Birthday, Ayan! Happy birthday! More birthdays!
Happy birthday, Tito Ayan. Enjoy your day. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Tito Ayan.
God bless.
And good health.
And more blessed birthdays to come.
Kuya Ryan, happy birthday po sa iyo. God bless you and your family. And naway ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to sa nahinanda sa iyo ng iyong loving family, Kuya. Wish ko lang sa iyo, Kuya, is naway patuloy mong gamitin yung talents mo in serving our Lord. And patuloy na maging mabuting haligi ng tahanan para sa iyong pamilya. And ayun lamang, Kuya, naway ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to. And have fun. God bless po. And jamming naman tayo pagtapos sa daddy duties.
Happy birthday kay Ryan. I wish you good health and God bless your family. Sana makatugtog pa kita ng matagal sa music team. Ayun. Thank you sa mga knowledge na binibigay mo sa amin sa music team. And ayun lang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ayan. Galing sa ninang mo na kinalimutan ka. Time check, 12:45 na po ng April 16. Pero sakto pa rin yan kasi birthday mo. Anyways, I wish you good health and sana lumaki kang isang batang mabuti and may galang and may takot sa Diyos. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Kuya Ryan. God bless and more jamming pa po sa church.
Birthday po, Tito Ayan. Ingat ka po palagi.
44th birthday, Ayan. Ingat kayo lagi diyang mag-anak. At mga kamag-anak dyan ni Aju. Naway patuloy kayong basbasan, kabayan at pangalagaan ng Diyos sa inyo pang araw-araw na pamumuhay. Enjoy! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ayan. Happy birthday. God bless you more.
additional family sa family mo, doon na lang kami pupunta pag birthday niyan. Bye!
Hello, mapagpalang araw. Sa'yo, aking inaanak, pamangkin, ayan. Happy, blessed birthday. God bless you and your family more and always. Ang aking panalangin ay marami pang kaarawan ang maranasan mo. Many more birthdays to celebrate. At may mabuti kang lusog na pangangatawan, good health, and long satisfied life. At anuman ang desire ng puso mo, whatever your heart desire, ay tunay na makamtan mo ang kasagutan at magkaroon ng katagumpayan sa iyong buhay. Ang aking verse na nais na ibigay sa iyo, birthday verse, alam mo na to, Jeremiah 29:11. Ang sabi ng Panginoon, ang napakaganda ng plano ng Panginoon sa iyong buhay, hindi kapahamakan, kundi mabuting buhay, mabuting kinabukasan at pag-asa. Yan yung Jeremiah 29:11. At isa pa, ang Proverbs chapter 3, 5 and 6, sinabi doon, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not in your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and you will be successful in your life. Once again, happy, blessed birthday. Love you. God bless you.
Hi, Kuya Ayan! Happy birthday! Woohoo! Hello, Kuya Ayan!
Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. More bonding and jamming soon with the little ones.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless!
God bless!
Bye-bye!
Visit you soon. Bye-bye!
May message.
Ayun, kaya happy birthday. Hindi na tayo bumabata. Alam mo na ha, yung pagkain natin. Yung high blood natin. Alam mo na, ingat-ingat ka ha. Tapos sa pamilya mo. Sige. Ano pa? Kasi mama.
Happy birthday, Ayan. Pray ko sa Lord na patuloy kang gamitin ng daluyan ng pagpapala at ang inyong pamilya ay patuloy na magkaroon ng magandang buhay. Patuloy ka sa Panginoon sa paglilingkod kayo ni April. Happy birthday. 3rd Jan 2, alam mo naman yon. Sige.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
On behalf of Parisayan family, wish you happy, more birthday! Yay! Birthday ka yan! See you soon! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday!
Message.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ayan. Enjoy your day, good health, and we pray for more blessings tsaka birthdays to come.
God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Kuya Ayan, kumusta? Happy birthday nga pala. Ingat lagi, stay strong and healthy para sa mga babies mo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ayan. God bless you po and your family. And miss na namin kayo nila Ate Aju, pati ni Baby Z, and your new baby girl. See you soon.
Hi, Kuya Ayan. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay stay healthy and yung sa inyong pamilya. Yun lang mo po and God bless. Happy birthday ulit, Kuya Ayan.
Ayun, Kuya Ayan. Happiest birthday po sa'yo. So, mag-ingat ka palagi and sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming bonding kasama yung mga tropa natin yan. No? So, kita-kits soon, Kuya Ayan. Happy birthday.
Kuya Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. More birthdays to come. Sana magkasama-sama ulit tayo and basketball bonding na mga KKB boys. Kasama ka next time sa rides natin and ayun, ingat kayo palagi dyan, stay safe and good luck sa work. Galingan mo palagi. Ayun, happy birthday.
So yun, happy birthday Kuya Ayan. More birthday to come and miss ka na namin. Sana makatugtugan ka na ulit namin. And God bless, yun lang. Ingat lagi. Bye.
Happy blessed birthday, Ayan.
Happy birthday, Nanak, Buddy, and
Good
co-musician. I'll miss you.
Miss
and,
you.
Wish above all things that thou mayest prosper as your soul prosper.
Blessed birthday.
More birthdays to come.
Hello Kuya Ayan! Happy birthday! Mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi kasi ang layo nyo na pala. Ingatan mo si April, lalo-lalo yung mga anak nyo. Huwag mo silang pababayaan. And I pray na mas maging strong yung pagsasamahan yung dalawa. Mas manguna yung love and respect. Huwag nyo aalisin. And huwag kayong mapapagod naman na lang pag may mga pagsubok na darating sa buhay mo, sa buhay nyo. Enjoy nyo lang yung buhay na magkasama kayo. Tapos manalangin kayo palagi. Kapag napapagod na kayo, magpahinga lang tapos laban ulit. We miss you and sana ipagpatuloy nyo yung talent na meron kayo. Like ng pagtugtog kayo na April kasi sayang yung talent na meron kayo. And one day magkikita ulit tayo, magbabanding ulit tayo. Tayong lahat magkakasama. Mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi and God bless.
Ayun. Happy birthday, Ayan. May the Lord continue to bless you abundantly, exceedingly beyond expectation and imagination with your family, and then stay healthy, stay strong. Siyempre, matanda na tayo. Kailangan ingat-ingat palagi. God bless you more and more. And take care always. See you soon. Mama, God bless.
Ayan, happy birthday. God bless. Continue serving the Lord with your family. Keep the fire burning. Enjoy your birthday. God bless. My wish for you is 1 John 1:2. Ayan, God bless sa'yo.
Hala, ano ba yan? Mukhang humahabol ka na sa edad ko Ilang taon ka na nga ba? Anyway, happy birthday, Ayan. God bless you always. And I pray that God will give you long and satisfied life and good health always, as He promised in His word in 3 John 2. And continue to serve God with all your heart. And also love your family, especially April and your 2 kids. And continue to serve God. I miss you all. See you soon. Happy birthday. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Ayan. Happy birthday. Psalms 37 verse 4 says, "Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart." That is my prayer for you and your family. Enjoy your celebration and keep up the good work as a father and as a husband. God bless.
Hi Ayan, happy birthday. I just wanted to say that I am thankful to the Lord dahil nagkasama tayo minsan sa ministry. I don't forget how you have given your life, how you have sacrificed and really served the Lord despite the circumstances that we were in during that time. And I know that the Lord will not forget our service to Him. And now that you are a father and a husband, I pray that the Lord will continue to grant you wisdom, knowledge, understanding, a mature heart and mind na bigyan ka ni Lord ng wisdom para pamahalaanan ang iyong buong pamilya. Blessings after blessing, I pray. Salamat sa buhay mo At nawa ay bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay. And hopefully in God's time, magamit ka ulit ni Lord kasama namin. So, God bless you and happy birthday. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Ayan! Wow! 24 years old ka na! Hindi halata! Happy birthday, Kuya Ayan! Isa ka sa pinaka-close ko na friend ko sa JIL. Long-term friends. Salamat sa pagkakaibigan na nabuo sa church. Salamat sa mga magaganda mong areglo na kapag kailangan ko mag-special number, tapos kailangan ko ng magandang areglo, ng kakaibang areglo, ang galing mong tumenga. Yan talaga yung gift mo na galing sa Lord. Tagal nating din nagkita. I hope and pray, alam ko naman din na okay ka. And congratulations sa bagong baby. Congratulations sa beautiful family. I hope and pray that God will continue use you sa kanyang ministry. I pray that you will let the church, let the people use your talent para sa Lord. At lagi mo siyang ingatan, lagi mong i-embrace, at and I hope na lagi kang maging thankful sa Lord sa gift. Sobrang gandang gift na binigay sa'yo ng Lord. I pray na lagi kang okay, na lagi kang blessed physically, emotionally, spiritually, most especially financially. I pray that the Lord will give you millions of peso and perfect health sa buong family. Salamat sa pagkakaibigan. Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May the Lord keep His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Thank you, April. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Enjoy your day!
More birthdays to come!
Happy birthday, pare. Wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy, good health lagi. See you soon. Enjoy your day. Ingat, pare.
Insan, happy birthday. Parehas tayong Bautista pero magkamag-anak tayo sa middle initial ng ating magulang. Ingat ka palagi. God bless you. Happy birthday ulit, Insan. Bye.
Yun. Hello, Ayan. Happy birthday. And ang wish ko sa'yo is for you to have a long and satisfied life. Dahil dyan, babasbasan kita sa ngalan ng joke lang. God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ayan. Tumatanda na tayo. Tagal na rin nating hindi nagkita-kita. Sana pagdating ko dyan sa Pinas, mag-meet ulit tayong lahat. Good health sa family mo and then God bless.
Master. Hello, Sensei, Master, Kuya Ayan. It's your special day. Wow, it's been a while. I'm very happy for you at paano ka in-elevate ng Lord into your best role as a husband, father to your beautiful children. Praying lang that you continue serving the Lord, walking in His guidance, and always growing in all areas of life. Happy birthday ulit sa'yo and catch up na lang siguro pag nakauwi kami. Kung kailan man yun. God bless.